convictions.
Abatura bagambire by'omushomo gwire gutebekanisiibwa ekitongole kitari kya gavumenti kya Western Ankole Civil Society Forum ogubire omu Bushenyi.
Turihire n'abasura batutera akantu ka shiringi 5 muhira omushoro gwawe gw'omutwaro omyaka 5 emitwaro yawe 5 baza kukugura bakamutwara nyine 5 nibakuhikumi abakubasi emitwaro y'ikumi n'uruboda rwanga konka kushaka umushanyire ukajya kuno kw'ishingi 5 ngo utera akantu.
Country-wide, the politicians are taking advantage of the problem. Basanga more opportunity ya COVID. Hata bagawo boom. Hata bagawa sabuni. Bagawo moyo. Bagawa sukari. Kutwabe tuliyamu. Nabanja ya za TV buli omwe yamhechikumi. Ati chikumi ne mtwalika. All those things you know somebody wango buntu buchi. Kunkatu koko kwa kwizaja tumuterera lemu azimureba kutwabe tuliyontufa ati niye yabishira batwaje kwa ibambe bose bakapfema twali 10 bakohereza kabunga nkatereje
ebigambiro bwanyuma yo kushanga ngo mukaruru ka NRM akahwiro mu district ya Bushenyi hakaba hashemerire kutera abantu emitwaro 9 karuru konka katere emitwaro 11 kandi omuryaba hakaba harimo nabana
konka abantu batira karuru ka NRM batari emitwaro 11 kubitano nana ashatu nabali abandi okabira. So the question I'm putting it back in our conversation.
You need the mama one. Na the rapate X, you need a party Y. Because you need the rapate Y yakarukama. Apata kwete jiri. Na jati you know mutazwira kana ti you be wrong. And I'm telling you the truth. Ati nchimasa kwa bantu tibi help tera karuku.
Apollo Lika Kongoro mukuru wa Western Ankole Civil Society Forum ajomirira bibyo kwerinda okutuntuza abanyamakuru mbwire bwa karuru.
Even up to today outside the electoral process abanyamakuru babatera babaka kamera zabo badelitinga content iriho batakamera zabo abamwe and many things have happened waba no River TV.
You're carrying out your organization activities. What message do you give the people? Is your message to the good interest and good of the society, or it is for your selfish interest?
So for me, my issue is, if you think that you don't want President Museveni, mobilize your people and vote. Simple. It is not that Museveni should say, now for me, I'm moving out because I want to show people there is a democracy. No. And I want to tell you, power is faulty. Power is not like something that it is love that you see, since I have my love, I can give it to you. No.
Ebitenso byone bitensibwe nibije kutwarwa mu ishenjero ry'ihango kajanwa kandi kubira hinguzwe bitwarwa president abiteho mukono gatyo gahinduca amateka amakoraga gashakwa Michael atwakire.